guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Sam. Today I did a first impressions type video reviewing the Sugarpill Little Twin Star collection. I created this look that you see right here. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and my thoughts on the entire collection, just keep watching. Hi guys, today I have an exciting video. First off, I just want to say I'm sleepy and I just sneezed like 5 times, so if I sound a little bit nasally, that's why. Today we're going to be playing with the Sugarpill Little Twin Star collection. I'm super excited. So, it comes in this cute box, and I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but it has them right here. I don't know if you can even see that. Anyways, this collection comes with an eyeshadow palette that has 6 colors, 2 liquid lipsticks, and a super cute makeup bag. And the box as well is like a collector's item. I have already opened this and used the makeup bag, and I might have swatched the eyeshadow palette, but other than that I haven't actually used it or the liquid lipsticks. So, anywho, when you open it up, it looks like this: makeup bag, liquid lipsticks, eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette comes in a little sleeve, and on the back of the sleeve, which is why I'll be keeping it, it has all the shades and their names on these cute little stars. Yeah, I did swatch these, I'm sorry. But I will be doing swatches in this video. So here are all the shades. The only thing I'm a little bit worried about with this palette is that there's only one matte shade, so I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do yet. Okay, I'm gonna do the swatches, and I'm just gonna warn you now, they're probably not gonna be great because I'm not a good swatcher. But I'm just gonna go down the first row and then the second row. So first, I'm gonna do, can you see this? I'm gonna do Cloud Maker. Next is Star Ribbon. By the way, I'm looking at a mirror in front of me so I can actually see what I'm doing. If I look a little weird, that's why. Now Twinkle Twinkle. This is Dream Dust. Sky Candy. And Wish. So here are all 6 shades. Looks like a rainbow on my arm. They all swatched pretty well. I did like a double swatch on all of them just so they would show on camera, but I'll leave in like the first swatch so you guys can see what it looks like with the second swatch. So honestly, I feel like these are kind of weird colors for a palette, like they don't all work together. I feel like this is the kind of palette that you would have to use with another palette or like other eyeshadows for some reason. I think the color choices are just kind of throwing me off a little bit, but I have a small idea in my head of what I want to do today. I guess I should show you swatches of the liquid lipsticks as well. I'm just going to do those on my hand this time. I'm going to start with Kiki, which is the blue one. Well, the bluish teal one. Ooh, it smells like citrusy, kind of. So this is Kiki. It's a really pretty teal color. And next we have Lala. They both smell like really citrusy, but in a totally good way. Don't come at me for my swatches, they're so bad. So we have Kiki and Lala. I'll also show you guys the bag as well. It's got a little bit of powder on it because I have used it for a trip. But yeah, this is the front and the back. Super cute. The little zipper is a little heart with a plus sign for Sugarpill, obviously. And so you just unzip it, and I like, well, first off, it holds a lot more than it looks like, but I also like that the zipper goes like all the way to like the bottom area, if that makes sense. It's very different from other ones, so you can actually fit a lot in it. So So I just realized while I was doing those swatches that I'm like baking my face and I like prepared it for fallout already. And I completely forgot to tell you guys, so if you think I look a little bit crazy, that is why I have powder all over my face. But let's just hop into what we're all here for, the tutorial. I call it a tutorial because I don't exactly know what I'm doing. So yeah, let's just begin. I'm gonna start out with Sky Candy, and I'm gonna use my Makeup Geek Soft Dome brush for this. Since there's only one matte shade and it's the blue teal shade, I'm gonna use Sky Candy as my transition shade and hope that it blends out nicely into like a transition shade. I really wish there was more than one matte shade in this, or maybe that the pink was matte instead of this like satin finish, but we're gonna hope for the best because I don't want to have to use another palette. I want to try and stick with only this palette for this tutorial. So like I said, we're starting off with Sky Candy in the crease. Not a whole lot is showing up, but it's at least matte looking, so that's good. I'm just gonna try and build it up a bit. I'm just gonna softly blend it out. So it's definitely buildable, so that's really nice. So next I'm going to take the shade Dream Dust, and I'm going to use one of those brushes that comes in the Anastasia palettes and use the flatter side. I just sprayed it with some Fix Plus, and I'm going to take that in my inner corner about halfway. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this shade. It's a little bit crumbly and not applying as nicely as I would have hoped. Next I'm going to go in with Twinkle Twinkle, and I'm just going to flip that brush around and spray the other side. And hopefully this one works a little bit easier. I forgot to tell you guys I'm putting this on the other side of my lid. I'm going to start working this shade onto the area that has Dream Dust, not like the whole way, like just leaving the inner corner though. I'm gonna try to put a little more Dream Dust in the inner corner. Kind of packing it on rather than swiping this time, seeing if that helps. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of struggling with this palette. I'm kind of happy with how this is looking, but I don't know. It's just not as easy as I thought it would be to use. I'm gonna go in with a little more Sky Candy. Take that, go back in the outer crease with that, and take that on a flat brush. And I'm going to try to go in the outer corner with that. Kind of make like a rose gold thing, maybe. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe I could try putting some Wish in the corner. But I wanted this to be like all pastel, and that's kind of brownish. I'm going to go in with Wish. Yes. Also, I'm really glad I put powder down because this fallout, no, no, no. So I'm gonna take the shade Wish. I just sprayed a flat brush. Maybe this will save the entire look. I'm gonna take that in the outer corner. This is literally about to be the like, I use every color in a palette challenge. And I didn't even mean to do that, but literally, like, I planned on using the blue under my eye. Oh wait, I don't plan on using Cloud Maker, but I almost did this challenge. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of Twinkle Twinkle in the center. That's just kind of not as vibrant as I expected, if that makes sense. I believe that's as good as my top lid's gonna get without using any other eyeshadows outside of the palette. I think that's what it is. I think the fact that there's only one matte shade and I'm trying to use only this palette, I think that's what's throwing me off. I kinda like this, but I also kinda don't. And maybe it's just because I haven't really done any like just pastel looks lately, like in a long time. I don't know. I'm going to get rid of this fallout and apply new powder so that we can do the under eye real quick. Alright, I'm taking this shade Star Ribbon on this MAC 575 SE brush. This is from a Christmas package I got. So I'm just gonna pack this under my eye first. It's pretty pigmented for being such a pastel shade. Ooh, I forgot to put down powder. Ooh, almost made a mistake. Okay, continuing. What the heck? Let's go ahead and just use all of the colors, because why not? Let's take Cloud Maker. I mean, why not, you know? Go big or go home. I'm just taking a small brush, sprayed it with a little bit of Fix Plus. Let's see if that works. That works. So I think I'm done with the palette. I don't know how I can try and make this look any better without using other eyeshadows. So we're gonna go right on to highlighter. I'm using Glazed Donut from Ofra Cosmetics. I mean, the eye look isn't bad. It's just so pastel and it's just really throwing me off. So I'm pretty sure because I used a powder I don't like, my highlight isn't really showing up except on this gigantic pimple that I have. See? It just went away. It's like it doesn't stick because of the face powder I used. Gone. Alright, let's just move on to blush. I'm using the Makeup Store's Cosmopolitan microshadow. Just gonna go overload on the blush since I can't have the highlight. Moving on, I'm going to apply my Bleach London mascara. Alright, so I just put on my Not So Basic lashes from my Bold Face makeup. And I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line. Now that I have lashes on, I will admit I feel like the look looks a lot better. It just kind of pulls it all together. So before I forget to mention, I added a little bit of highlighter on my brow bone in my inner corner. Now I gotta decide which lip to wear. This is gonna be so hard. I think just for something fun, I'm gonna put on Kiki. And if I don't like how it looks with this look, then I'll put on Lala instead. I'm gonna line my lips first, and surprisingly, I actually have a teal lip liner. By the way, if you're curious, this lip liner is from Bleach London. It comes in their Washed Up Mermaid lip kit. Alright guys, well I think this is my finished look. Overall, after sitting here and thinking and looking at what I've created, I will say I really do like this collection. There are a few things I wish were different, like I wish there was maybe at least 2 matte shades, and I wish that the gold was a little more gold. To me, this is like a shimmery yellow, if that makes sense. And I also think the Dream Dust shade was just a little lackluster. But overall, I think I really do like this collection, especially the liquid lipsticks. These are great. I've used Sugarpill's liquid lipsticks before, and they're always super comfortable, lightweight, opaque, and just really good liquid lipsticks. I like them a lot. So I really do like this collection, and I would recommend it to anybody who is a collector or just really likes Sugarpill. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say for you guys about the collection. If you guys like this type of video, please let me know in the comments down below, or give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram. I'll have it on the screen somewhere right here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!